In this video, we will show you how to create a new legal person in the system. Before you begin and create a new legal person, check that the person does not already exist in the database. Another user may have created it already. Ensure that this legal person is created in the system because it is either a bank signatory, an officer, a shareholder in one of your client entities, or finally, is an entity in which investments have been made. Note that client entities you manage should not be created in this section. To create a legal person, go to the home page and click on the Person's menu and select New Legal Person. This will open a legal person form. You will enter information in the fields which appear. The red fields are compulsory fields. The person's ID, or the company ID field, is to be left empty. It is a field for the legal person code which Eazzy will generate automatically, and which will be used to track in all transactions linked to this person in the system. When you are done with all the information, save your form, and the legal person will now exist in the Eazzy Corporate Secretarial database. And from then onwards, you will be able to link that legal person to your other entities in the system. So that's it, and goodbye for now.